Are we ready? Okay, the timer is on.
This isn't your regular beauty show. This is So You Think You Can Blend, where flawless glam meets full-blown chaos.
What the guys?
My heart is palpitating.
Each episode, a top makeup artist thinks they are here to take you through a trending makeup look. But we have a surprise in
I
store.
can't talk so much in 2 minutes.
That's the challenge.
Prank them at every step of the way.
Try with your left hand.
Arey yaar.
Will the makeup artist make it to the end?
Bro, I can't.
Let's find out.
Hello everyone, this is Afreen Petiwala and I'm super excited to be here with Nykaa today to show you how to create the perfect festive look with Shreya.
Hi everybody.
We're going to be starting with the base first. We're going to be starting with toning your face after your face wash, after you cleanse your face, then using a serum, then using some moisturizer. I've already finished doing all of that, so I will be starting with priming her face. There are different types of primers used for different types of skin. Right now on Shreya, I'll be using a silicone-based primer as well as which is semi-moisturizing, so that will even out your skin and blur out everything.
Prepping se yaad aaya, where I think today is the day. 5 years ago, I was prepping for my audition, and you know that I did a reality show, right?
Yeah.
Thank God. People say it's a very toxic show, but I really enjoyed it because there was so much drama in it. I think you should also like spice things up. What do you think?
My life is very boring with my 2 kids, so no scope of spice anywhere.
But you don't like Kalesh or what?
Hate Kalesh.
Why?
I run away. Any negative energy, I'm running away from it.
You don't have to run away from me though. You're stuck with me now.
So the next step that I'll be starting with is your base for your eye makeup. I prefer doing eye makeup first because eye makeup ke baad bahut fallout aata hai. So I'll be first creating a base for your eyes, applying little bit of concealer.
Okay. So I have a challenge to make it a little fun. Because
Sure.
it's getting very boring. So is it okay for you to do my eye makeup in like 2 minutes?
Possible.
Yeah? Should we get the timer then?
अरे but फिर मेरे ये सब ये नहीं आएगा सारे
चलेगा,
instruction
चलेगा।
tips चाहिए वो लोग को
चलेगा
क्या
ना, I
चाहिए
think. But you can explain it while you're doing it. So it's
I
gonna
can't
be-
talk so much in 2 minutes.
That's the challenge.
What do you all want?
Yeah, they are up for it. Are you up for it?
Okay, chal, let's do it. Go.
Are we ready? Okay, the timer is on and she has only 2 minutes and I'll be talking, she'll be talking.
Come on, come
Okay,
on.
yeah, do it. But you have to explain also what we are doing to my
Oh
face.
God. This is the base.
Okay, you're doing the base on my
To finish
eyes.
this, I need an assistant to hold my palette.
24 seconds are already up. And
Hold this.
Okay, she's making me do things also.
Setting it with a loose powder.
इन्होंने मुझे बताया कि 11 साल से मेकअप कर रही है. Let's see how good she is.
Starting with contour on the outer corner.
Okay.
Going inwards.
50 seconds are already up, guys.
ये सच में की contestant.
I love Kalesh.
Using a little darker shade on the outer corner, coming inwards, and a little bit of mediocre color just on the out.
So 1 minute 15 seconds are up.
Darker brown on the outer edges.
I think
to
it's also
create
very difficult because I
a
am
little
talking a lot.
smoky.
1 minute 30 seconds are up, guys, and she is definitely struggling with it. I love it.
Taking
yeah.
some
I miss-
sheen.
I should be a
and-
judge on the show again. Wow, you.
Eye makeup's done.
Oh, you were fast. Oh, that's good, man. But I don't look bad, na?
Not at all.
Oh, natural, minimal look. I
Not
love
bad.
it.
Not bad. So because we did this whole eye makeup thing in this 2-minute challenge, I couldn't really explain everything well. But what I've done, I'll just tell you in a short summary, is I've created a base for your eye makeup to last longer. I am going to highlight her brow bone. I used the lightest shade in the palette and then graded it towards the darker and the darkest shade on the outer corner and adding a little sheen and a little pop of pink on her upper eyelids going till her inner corner. I'm going to now finish her look taking a pencil brush and I'll be using a kohl pencil just to apply. I want to apply the kohl pencil on your eyelid and then smudge it to create that soft smoky and then just blend this. Okay. Eye cream is also really important because that will reduce your concealer from creasing. And under eyes are the driest part of your face, so you have to hydrate them really well. We'll be then starting with color correcting in all the deeper pigmented areas. So for her skin, she doesn't have too much pigmentation, just maybe a little dark circles. So I'll be applying some orange corrector.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you this very controversial question. Okay? Don't be diplomatic. Which makeup artist on Instagram do you think she doesn't know how to do makeup?
No, I'm sorry, I can't say that.
Why?
No way. You can tell me whom do you love the most, that I will answer. Don't tell me whom.
Why? Yeah, you should give me.
Not happy.
Be spicy, yeah.
I'll pass. No comments.
So you'll answer only the good ones.
Yeah. Now I've applied some concealer on top of your corrector. I'm going to again let the concealer sit on your skin for at least a minute before I start blending it. That way the concealer thickens and it gives better coverage. Just blending it. Now this one is one shade darker than a skin tone.
Which makeup influencer you think should change her career?
You can even become a fashion influencer.
Okay. So you're saying she's not good with makeup, so she should...
No, I didn't say that. I said she's very good.
Okay, we got the answer, guys. We got the answer.
She's very good with makeup and she's very good with her fashion posts also. So I think she can do both.
Oh.
I will try keeping the base a little semi-matte. Yeah, just mixing two foundations. We're just mixing few.
Yeah.
I'm applying the foundation. I'm someone who doesn't like super cakey foundation. So I'm going to just apply a little bit with my fingers all over her face. I apply one shade lighter using a nice thick brush just to blend all of that in. Now what I do not swipe my foundation. I try blending it and seeping it into the skin. So this makes your makeup last longer and the foundation also lasts longer. Okay, now that you can see there's a little bit of darkness under her eyes, I'll be then highlighting her under eyes and the center of her face so that it looks brighter. Just a little bit. Center of her nose, create a fan on the forehead and a little bit on the chin. We'll be then moving on with the contour.
Do it with your left hand now.
नहीं होगा ये तो पूरा face ही टेढ़ा लगेगा.
It's very boring. They told me it's going to be fun. I didn't spend so much time
contour
with
try
bum
कर रही हूँ. Now her face doesn't need too much of contouring. We'll be just applying a little bit.
Try with your left hand.
This is my left hand.
Oh, okay.
Applying.
Look, now it's fun.
Okay.
Just don't ruin my face.
That I can't guarantee you.
What? Are you crazy?
अभी ये लेना पड़ेगा.
No, that's cheating. Yeah, that's cheating. That's cheating.
मुझे यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा. Cameras के angle change हो जाएगी.
Yeah, look. Wasn't that difficult?
No. Forehead we don't need to because she doesn't have a very large forehead. Yeah. And we'll be just blending it all in. We do not want to see any harsh lines.
You're doing makeup since like 11 years, right? For the past 11 years. तुम्हें दोनों हाथ से आना चाहिए अब तक तो.
नहीं. Right. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? What is that person called who can write and...
Virus?
No. Okay, we'll be then applying some blush. I like applying a liquid blush because it creates...
Can we take a break? A little break? Yeah? And then we can do the blush and stuff. Yeah.
Brows. No, it is. It is. I mean, I want to explain which is not happening is what I told him also that ये सब process में मेरे tips नहीं जा रहे.
Afreen, I want to ask, why were you bitching about me, yaar?
I'm not bitching about you.
Yeah, on the BTS, you're saying to Nykaa team that she's hard to work with. I'm not able to explain my steps. I was trying to make it fun. You tell me, कोई boring video देखना चाहेगा?
Because my steps are not being covered.
I was just trying to give you challenges ताकि वो fun लगे. You're literally bitching about someone you're working with, and then you're like,
bro, I can't.
Why you can't? Then don't say things on camera like that.
We have not said anything on camera. They haven't rolled.
No, they did.
But I'm not going to ask for your permission and ask something about this to them.
He was literally
Guys, I'm not signed up for this. I haven't.
So you shouldn't have said things about me, na? That's creating a bad image.
Please solve this.
This was all just a prank! I am really sorry, bro. I didn't want to do this to you. Come. We'll take the big cameras. We'll take...
Guys, you all can't. I'm not a part of a reality show. I can't handle all this.
Yeah, man.
Oh God. This should get me followers, yeah, guys. This should get me reels. अब मैं start करूँ? Bye. So we're starting with the blush. Now she has really nice cheekbones. So I'm just going to ask her to smile. And I'm going to be applying very little. This is very pigmented, this blush. And I'll be nicely just blending it all in. Now we'll be starting with the setting of your base. If you have a client or if you are someone who has dry skin, I wouldn't advise you to apply compact powder all over your face. I would just apply it on your T-zone and let the foundation be, because it will create that glow. But if you're someone who has oily skin, then I'm going to set up full face. Like she has oily skin, so I'm going to be setting her full face with some loose powder. Again, now this is a very, very important step when you're setting your under eyes. If you go closer to her eyes, you'll be able to see now the crease lines have formed, which are going to form. That's the reason why we don't set your under eyes immediately. We wait for a few minutes. We let the creases form. We're then going to blend the crease and then set it immediately. Look up, look up. And I'll be setting on her smile lines as well, because these are the areas which tend to crease very easily, and all over her face. Now if you're someone who loves like a fuller coverage, then I would advise you to go in with a compact powder for setting your face. We've given her enough coverage, so I don't need to. I'm just taking a loose powder to set. We'll be finishing off now your under eye makeup. So we'll be just taking like a little pinky brown shade under your eyes. And just creating this soft gradient just to give a little depth to your eyes. Taking a really tiny brush, flat brush with some dark brown eyeshadow and just defining her lower eyes. So this will create an illusion as if we've applied kajal, but we've actually not. At the same time, make her eyes look bigger and open. Okay, with the same brown black eyeshadow, I'll be then extending the eyeshadow and making a tiny wing here. This is also very soft wing, not something very harsh. Okay, done. We'll be then ending it with some mascara. I'll be first curling her lashes. Now this is the most important part of curling your lashes. Curl your lashes and hold it for... Okay.
I'm kidding.
Stop now. Removing all the excess. Now your lashes don't grow in one direction. So your motion and application technique also has to be in different directions. Now if you want to add a little more drama, we can definitely add lashes, which I'm going to do now. Just checking the length of the eyelashes. I'll be cutting off all the excess. We've applied some glue on the lashes. The glue has to dry for the next 2-3 minutes. So till then we'll just finish up her brows. I'll be just brushing her brows upwards for a natural fuller look. Using some brow pomade and an angular brush. We always first mark the outer lines of the brows and then lighter inwards. The glue is dried. Look down. Okay, now we just let the glue dry. I think just keep your eyes shut. Till then I'll do your lips. Do you like your lips to look pouty or do you like your lips to look natural? You love them as it is?
No, pouty.
Okay, so we're going to overline it a tad bit. I use a darkest shade on the outer corner of your lips and then moving with the lighter shades towards the inner corner. Filling it in with some, I'm using a brown pink shade and we're going to blend that all in and topping it up with some lip plumper. And we're done. So we're going to finish it off with some fixer spray. You can close your eyes and just... And this is how we create a festive look. Shreya, hope you liked it.
I loved it.
And I can't forget ever.
This is going to be our best collab ever. But thank you so much for creating such an amazing look.
So hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to
Like,
share
and subscribe to Nykaa TV. So Afreen, do you think you can blend?
Yes, I can.